Hi everyone, welcome to the first edition of my chess series titled Chess and Entrepreneurship. In this series, I'm going to be telling you basic skills every chess player have that an entrepreneur should actually work towards having. And it's going to be an amazing journey and an amazing ride, so I advise you to sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. Basically for tip 1, we are going to be talking about master the game. Now in the game of chess, your first lesson as a chess player is knowing the board and knowing the pieces. If you don't have that skill, we can't even be talking about playing the game of chess. And same thing applies in business. In business, you have to understand your business, understand the product, understand the service, understand the price, understand your customers, know your competitors. And that way you can have a smooth ride on strategizing and having good time in the business. Else, it will just be a flop. Please join me as we go on the second ride next week, talking about playing the game proper. Until then, have a wonderful week. See you.